welcome again. This is Rajan. So in this video I'm just going to explain you one of the mistake that I made recently. So it was a small mistake but still cost me a huge money. So Hindustan Unilever and ITC is one of the major stake in my portfolio. I've been investing from time to time. I've been buying at dips, and one fine day I was quite shocked to see that 3200 quantity was missing from my portfolio in ITC shares. I didn't know where it gone, so I just sent a mail to the Zerodha team asking for my 3200 quantity. So I got a reply from them after a long time, and it was quite shocking for me because that was a very stupid mistake made by me. And the thing is, in the month of September, FMCG stocks were quite bearish and it was falling, right? Be it ITC, HUL or DMart or any other FMCG stocks, it was falling. So I just thought I would hedge my positions, right? So I just shorted both HUL and ITC in futures in the month of September. So I was shorting September month HUL and ITC series, okay, in futures. And during the expiry, apparently I have only closed the HUL trade, the hedge position that I made, and I did not close the ITC. So what happened is the ITC future position which I've been holding has been devolved into a physical delivery. So what happened? Since I did not close the position, they have debited 3200 quantity from my ITC holdings in a loss of 62,000 or something, 64,000 or something. So it was a huge loss for me because of a small error which I made. So please make sure to check your hedge position during the expiries so that you can avoid mistakes like this. I'm posting this video now because I got a very late reply from them, and this happened during the month of September. This is a huge lesson for me. I paid 62,000 to learn this lesson. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of the videos that I'm going to upload in the future. See you soon again with another video. Thank you.